Today we are talking about something super cool, being an amazing friend. Today we are talking about something super cool, being an amazing friend. Being a good friend is like having a superpower. It makes everyone happy and makes the world a better place. How can we be awesome? Let's find out. First, let's share. Sharing is caring, whether it's toy, snack, or crying. Sharing with our friend makes everyone smile. Next up, kindness. Kindness is like magic. We are kind to our friends. We make them feel loved and special. Let's listen. Listening is super important. We our friend talk. Let's listening. Ear and heart. And last, let's have fun together. Friendship is all about adventure and giggles. So, let's go play and make awesome memory. Being a good friend is the coolest, so let's spread kindness and joy